This tutorial will guide you through installing and running Deepseek AI locally, giving you full control over your AI experiences while protecting your data and boosting performance. Running AI locally offers significant advantages. You'll experience enhanced data privacy because your information never leaves your hardware. Plus, with no internet dependency, latency is dramatically reduced, leading to much faster response times for your AI tasks. This also opens the door to customized AI implementations. You can fine-tune models and integrate them into your workflow in ways that are impossible with cloud-only solutions, making AI truly personalized and accessible. First, ensure your local machine meets the necessary system requirements. This typically includes having a compatible operating system, sufficient RAM, and a powerful enough graphics processing unit, or GPU, for efficient parallel computation. Refer to the official Deepseek AI documentation for the most up-to-date specifications. Next, you'll need to download the Deepseek AI software. Visit the official Deepseek AI repository or download page. Look for the section related to local deployments or source code. Download the relevant installer or archive file for your operating system. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded file. If it's a compressed archive, you'll need to extract its contents to a directory on your computer. If it's an installer, run the executable and follow the on-screen prompts to begin the installation process. During the installation, pay close attention to any options presented regarding installation paths or component selection. It's often recommended to install Deepseek AI in a dedicated folder to keep your system organized. The installation process might take some time depending on your system's speed and the size of the software. After the installation finishes, you're ready to launch Deepseek AI. This is typically done by opening your terminal or command prompt and navigating to the installation directory. Then, execute the command that starts the Deepseek AI service. You should now be able to interact with Deepseek AI locally. Experiment with its various features, such as text generation, code completion, or any other capabilities it offers. Explore the documentation further for advanced configurations and integration possibilities. Congratulations, you've successfully set up Deepseek AI on your local machine. Enjoy the benefits of secure, high-performance, and personalized AI. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more AI tutorials.